how to do motion tracking for free, like this. I'm going to show you. It's pretty genius. And how to do that? We have to download this add-on. And here the latest, and download this, and in the settings you have to install the zip file, not unpack the zip file, just locate it and install. Then use an app on Android and iPhone that names Retargeter for Blender. It's a, I see if I see it here, Retargeter. It looks like the app have this sign here, augmented reality, and you take a video clip and export this video clip zip and import this zip in the settings here, import here, and then to see the video background you have to click internal, and yes, this is completely free and it's awesome. Thank you, and that was my tutorial for today. Bye.